Hello everyone and welcome to the PetroPlant YouTube channel. I am Alex. Today, I will give you a brief introduction to a very important unit in petrochemical plants called the C2 recovery unit. And next, we'll use a drone to take a closer look inside the plant and see some of its main equipment. As we move through the plant, I'll show you the key units involved in the C2 recovery process, like heat exchangers, drums, and the storage tanks. In natural gas and refinery off-gas streams, there are light hydrocarbons like methane, ethane, propane, and heavier components. The purpose of a C2 recovery unit is to separate and recover ethane C2 from the gas mixture. Why is this important? Because ethane is the main feedstock for ethylene production, which is one of the most valuable building blocks in the petrochemical industry. Ethylene is used to make plastics, synthetic fibers, and many other chemical products. The process usually works like this. First, the feed gas is cooled down using cryogenic exchangers. At very low temperatures, methane and ethane can be separated. A distillation column, often called the demethanizer, is used to split methane from ethane and heavier components. Finally, the recovered ethane is sent to ethylene crackers, while methane is often used as fuel gas. So, the C2 recovery unit is a critical link between natural gas processing and petrochemical production. Without it, we would not have a reliable supply of ethane for producing ethylene and downstream products. Now, let's take a look at a C2 recovery plant under construction, and I'll show you some of the equipment used in this process. I hope you enjoyed this short tour and learned something new about C2 recovery units. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. It really helps me create better content for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.